Want to access your Mega cloud files right from your iPhone? The Mega app makes it easy to browse files, upload photos and documents, download content, share files, and keep important data available on the go. In this guide, I'll show you the main features you need. Let's jump in. Start by opening the App Store and searching for the official Mega app. Install it, then open the app and sign in with your Mega account. If you're new to Mega, choose the option to create an account and follow the setup steps. Once you're signed in, your cloud storage is ready to use. From the main screen, you can browse your Mega cloud files and folders. Tap a folder to open it, select a file for available actions, and use search when you need to find something quickly. You can also organize content into folders to keep everything easier to manage. To upload content, use the Add or Upload option inside the Mega app. Choose Files, Photos, or other supported content from your iPhone, then select where you want them stored. Depending on your settings, Mega can also work with your photo library for uploads or backups, so check the permissions if something doesn't appear. When you need a cloud file directly on your iPhone, select it and choose the Download or Save option available for that file. You can then open compatible files using iOS apps or save them to an appropriate location. For larger downloads, a stable Wi-Fi connection can make things smoother. To share a file, select it and open the sharing options. You can create or copy a Mega share link when available, then send it through Messages, Mail, or another app. Before sharing, double-check that you've selected the correct file and that the access settings are appropriate. If you need certain files without an internet connection, use Mega's available offline features. You can also open the app settings to review notifications, storage behavior, photo permissions, and account preferences. A quick settings check can save you trouble later. And that's how to use Mega on an iPhone. Install the app, sign in, browse your cloud storage, upload and download files, share content, and use offline access when you need it. Once everything is familiar, managing your Mega files from iOS is quick and convenient. That's it.